In this video, I'll show you how to turn art in a panel from this and move the bottom right panel like this. Let's say you wanted to take this person right here and turn them. Get the lasso tool and select around that person. Go to Edit, Transform, and click on Rotate. You could also do the shortcut keys Command-T. Go on the outside of the box and turn the art. Press Return, go to Select, Deselect, or the shortcut key would be Command-D. The art went from this to this. If you were wanting to select the whole artwork inside of a panel, you could also do that, but then you would have to touch up areas that are missing art. Let me show you. If you were to go to the polygonal lasso tool, and let's click here, click here, click here, and then click around like this to get to the beginning to do a selection around the bottom right area. And then Command-T to transform. And let's say you wanted that artwork to be more dynamic by having it go at a diagonal. Press Return. The artwork is now covering this panel over here and this panel here. So what I would do, this next part is a little tricky. I don't know if it's an option that you can select from the top menu, but I know what the shortcut key is because I use it all the time. Command-Shift-J. And what that does is it takes a selection and puts it on its own layer. So if we turn the background layer off, you'll see that the new layer on top is that artwork that we selected. If we turn that artwork layer off and turn on the background layer, you'll notice that the artwork here is gone. Now you can turn this new layer on and you can rework the artwork. Now you would remove the area that's over the other panel and the area that's over this panel up here, and remove some of the guidelines here and remove this line over here. And then you would have to fill in the pieces of art that are missing. Now with the new Photoshop, it has something called a contextual taskbar. This might help. Go to Window, Contextual Taskbar. Get the lasso tool and loosely select the bottom right area and click Generative Fill. And then click Generate. Photoshop is going to generate 3 options in the Properties panel. Now this option removed the artwork. If we click on this option, it made different artwork, and this option made different artwork as well. So those options aren't good for what we're looking for. Let's turn that layer off, and we could try it again using the polygonal lasso tool. Instead of going into the artwork, I'm going to go right next to the edge of the artwork and try it again. Make sure you're on layer 1, that new art layer when you do this. Generative Fill, click Generate. That looks better. Let's see the second option. That's pretty good too. Let's see the third option. Nope. I like this first option.